Mindfulness Meditation, your key to conquer GMAT and GRE anxiety. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on managing test anxiety for the GMAT and GRE exams. Today, we're diving into one of the most effective relaxation techniques, mindfulness meditation. This technique not only helps in tackling test-related stress but can be a wonderful tool in your daily life as well. Mindfulness meditation is a mental training practice that involves focusing your mind on the present moment. It's about being aware of what you're sensing and feeling in the moment, without interpretation or judgment. By practicing mindfulness, you can reduce stress, calm your mind, lowering your heart rate and blood pressure. Increase focus, train your brain to be less distracted, crucial for long exams. Improve emotional health, understand and regulate your emotions better. Starting with mindfulness meditation is easy, and here's a simple guide to help you begin. 1. Find a quiet spot. Look for a peaceful area where you won't be disturbed. This could be a quiet corner in your room, a peaceful park, or even your office during a break. 2. Comfortable seating. Sit on a chair or on the floor with a cushion, with your back straight. 3. Close your eyes. This helps in reducing visual distractions. 4. Breathe naturally. Don't try to control your breathing. Just breathe naturally. 5. Focus on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of the air coming in and going out. Feel the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. 6. If your mind wanders, this is okay. It's natural for your thoughts to stray. Just gently bring your attention back to your breathing. Mindfulness meditation doesn't just need to be a separate practice. You can integrate it into your GMAT or GRE preparation. Start your study sessions with 5 minutes of mindfulness. This can help you set the tone, clear your head, and boost concentration. Take mindful breaks. Every hour, take a 5-minute mindful break. It refreshes your mind and keeps stress at bay. Practice mindful test taking. Before starting a mock test or the real exam, close your eyes for 2 minutes and practice mindfulness to calm your nerves. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, managing test anxiety is crucial for achieving your best score. And mindfulness meditation is a simple, yet powerful tool to help you stay calm, focused, and centered. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and stay mindful.